Now Habib has
Give him a kiss, Habib. Give him a kiss.
now Habib has a promotional problem. And the promotional problem is that he has been here for about
6 months.
6 months. When he was here 4 months, he goes over to Brian and says, "Yeah, I see a new truck came in.
New truck?
A brand new truck, and I would like to have it." And Brian said, "Huh?" He refuses to drive the RAV because it makes too much noise. Now it doesn't even have a heater because I used it. Okay, and complains constantly, okay, about everything. But you know what, Habib? You kept City College for us after we threw Angel out of there, and you're doing a really nice job, so congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Salman.